Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a really exciting Dollar Tree haul. Now everything I'm going to show you is all makeup and all beauty. I am so excited about this one, guys. You have no idea. I just feel like Dollar Tree is getting better and better this year. I'm blown away. I don't know how they do this, guys. I'm gonna get right into it, but if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you guys. And without further ado, let's get right into it because I'm so excited to show you guys what I'm talking about. So they have hard candy makeup. So looks like this, guys. The first one I'm talking about, I'm so excited, I'm not even telling you what it is. Okay, this is how it looks. But yeah, it is this right here. This is the hard candy metallic mousse. It is a matte metallic lip color, and this is in the color Penny Talk. I love the fact that it comes in this package. I just think it is so cute, guys. And it looks like this, and it also has like a mirror right here, which I think it's cute. And let me try to get it out if I can. I don't even know if I can. This sucker is stuck in there. You see that? Okay, that was a mission. So it looks like this. I just think that this lip color is so beautiful, guys. The only thing is, I have to be honest with you guys, I did try it on. I do not like it on me. I don't feel like it looks good on my skin tone. Now, my friend also tried this and she actually loves it on her skin tone. It looks beautiful. I actually think it is a really beautiful color, but unfortunately it does not look good on me. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give this away to one of my sisters. But yeah, I still am blown away, guys. This is hard candy, and at Walmart they range between $5 to $10, sometimes more depending what it is. And then I also found this one right here. This is hard candy cashmere silk demi matte cream lip color, and this one is in the color gelato. So it looks like this. And this other one, again, I already tried. If you guys can see, I went savage on it and I did open it because I'm like that. I'm like really impatient. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So it looks like this. I think, guys, it is such a beautiful color. If you guys are into colors like this, like a magenta pink, you will absolutely love it. It is really beautiful. Like when you see it, it's very eye-catching, really beautiful on the lips. It looks gorgeous. The only thing I have to say is this is a plumping lip gloss. So it's a plumping serum. They call it Flashers lip gloss. And because it is a volumizing lip gloss, a lot of plumping volumizing lip glosses tend to give you like that tingling effect on the lips. Sometimes it actually burns a little bit. Then there are some that kind of go away after a while and doesn't really tingle, but this one actually kept on my lips for about 10 minutes and it was still kind of tingling to the point where it was a little bit like kind of burning my lips. Not burning, but it was like uncomfortable, if you know what I mean. So I don't know, I'm gonna give this another try, but I just want to let you guys know I did try it on. It is beautiful. I hope that I'm able to wear it because this is a beautiful color. Hopefully you guys can see that. I mean, look at that. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And I have another one by Hard Candy. This is a highlighting blush. So it says that it's a glow all the way ombre bake blush, and it is in the color Sunburst. So it does say it's a blush. To me, it's more like a highlighting blush, and it could also be just a highlight. So half of this is more like a blush, the other half is more like a highlight. You can obviously mix it together, have like a highlighting blush, or you can just have this and have it more like a blush, or you can just tap your brush into this part and it'll just be like a highlight because it's more light on this side. But guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. They also had this one in another one which is a little bit bigger, and it's a bronzer. It says like it's called Tiki bronzer. Guys, if you guys don't know, the hard candy highlighter in Tiki has been all the rage several years back, and I actually purchased that. I still have it. It's one of my favorites. They have it at the Dollar Tree. The only reason why I didn't purchase it is because obviously I have one, but guys, that is a good one. If you see it, pick it up because they are not gonna last long. But I'm so excited to get this. Honestly, I just think it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I am gonna be reviewing them, so if this works out for me, guys, it's gonna be in my July favorites and you guys will know about it. And if it doesn't work out for me, it's still gonna be in my July favorites and fails, so it'll probably be one of my fails or favorites, who knows, we will see. But I really love this one. I'm so excited, I can't believe it. And then, guys, they've been coming out with a lot of bath bombs. So I got 4 of these. I cannot find the 4th one. It's probably somewhere in that bag. But guys, look at these. Look at these bath bombs. They're huge. And this name brand Onyx Bathhouse, Bathhouse. This is actually Target brand. So to find it at Dollar Tree, to me, is exciting, guys. And my daughter already tried this out when she took a bath. I'm gonna insert a little video right here so you guys can see. It really does fizz up. It does change the color of the bath, and it kind of gives you like that beautiful iridescent look to the bath. It's so beautiful. You know what? Now that I think about it, I have 3 because my daughter used one of them. Duh. Okay, yes. So I had 4, but my daughter used one. And this one is called OMG, a unicorn. And it is in the strawberry and jasmine. And then I also got 4 more bath bombs. Wow. This, I'm so excited. I think these were like my favorite finds because I love pink eyes. So when I seen it, I was like, heck yes. I got 4. I wanted to get like 5 of each, but had to control myself. So, excuse me. So this one is sugar, and it is strawberries and cream. It has gold glitter on it, but I honestly don't even mind. I love it. The sad part is, guys, I never take baths because of my baby girl. I just don't have time, and it just doesn't happen nowadays. So really, these are for my daughter, and my daughter gets excited about these. My teen daughter, she's 14, and I'm just happy that I was able to get it for her. Maybe one day I'll enjoy a nice relaxing bath for like a freaking hour, but for now I'm just really happy I got these. And I also picked up this bath bomb right here. Now this they always carry, but I just decided to pick it up just because I don't even know why. I just decided to pick it up because I wanted to. And this is Treat Me Bath Burst, and it doesn't say like what kind of bath bomb it is, but it looks like this. And then, guys, I was so excited to find this. This is a facial cleansing brush. It is battery operated, doesn't include batteries, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, it's not included. It doesn't have the batteries, but I really don't mind. I got this for my daughter. She loves blue, and I'm wanting to get another one like this in a pink. But guys, this is $1. How? I have my Olay. I don't even know why. That sounded so weird the way I said how. I was like, how? Oh my gosh, you know I'm so excited when my voice changes and I sound crazy. But yeah, guys, this is amazing. I have mine by Olay, and I had it for years, and I paid like $30. This is $1. $1. And I really recommend, guys, if you never tried facial cleansing brushes like this, they kind of move around like this, try it, guys. It really does do a heck of a difference on your skin. It cleanses your face really nice. And guys, I just want to mention this quickly. If you guys hear noises in the background, I'm sorry. I have the AC on, I have my fan on, just because I have my umbrella lights on. I have my what is this? Oh my gosh, my ring light in my face, and it gets so hot I end up sweating. I don't think you guys want me to melt on you and just see me sweat. It's not a cute look. So because of that, I do have to have it on. It is super hot today, so I'm sorry about that if that bothers you. I just want to let you guys know that. But moving on, guys, I also got this one. This is a makeup brush cleansing mitt. This I thought was also a really great deal. Usually at Sephora, they run between like $25, $30. You get it at Dollar Tree to clean all your brushes. I just think this is such a great deal. And of course, I had to get it in the pink. And I also got this one. Guys, I was so excited about this. I really wish I got more. But this is the Bolero Cleansing and Hydrating Facial Wipes. and it is with watermelon and aloe. I have talked about this before. They have their facial toner with the watermelon and aloe. I love it. It is so moisturizing, so amazing, works great. That to get another one so my daughter can use it because she loves it as well. So yeah, I got this one. Really awesome. Let me see if it has a smell. I'm pretty sure it does, just like the toner. Yeah, it does. It has the same smell. Oh my gosh, I love that smell. So this is just amazing, guys. And it's so pretty, the packaging. Like, you cannot beat it. I feel like they're stepping up their game. Like I said, Dollar Tree has been stepping up their game so much. They're getting such cute, amazing things that I'm just blown away. And then I also found this one. This is also by Bolero. The same thing as the wipes, but this is a hydrating facial mist. What? So you can use this like a setting spray for your makeup, or you can just, you know, mist your face if you want like extra hydration during the day. Oh my gosh, when my daughter saw it, she said she wants it, so I'm pretty much it's gonna go to her. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. And then I got a few nail polishes. Let me find the last one. Okay, so the first one being is this Wet n Wild Wild Shine High Shine Finish nail polish. That was a mouthful. So this is in the color red. So it looks like this. I really love it, guys, because I have a red nail polish by Wet n Wild. It's just a different, the nail polish is a little bit different, but it looks similar like this. And like I said, guys, I love red. I love wearing red nail polish, and I'm almost out of it. So when I seen this, I grabbed it. And I also got this one, guys. This is by LA Color Craze High Impact Nail Color. And this is in the color Sparkling Diamonds. Looks like that. And I also picked this one up. I have seen this before. Maybe I haven't. I don't even know. Maybe not. So this claims that it's a quick dry nail polish. So it's a super dry nail polish, a clear nail polish to set your nail polish. So I am going to try this out. I will let you guys know in my July favorites and fails if it works or not, but I'm really excited to try it out. This is by the brand Diamond Cosmetics, and it looks like this, so I was really excited about that. And another thing too, guys, that I got is this eyelash curler. So I've heard someone on YouTube say that this is a really great eyelash curler, so I wanted to try it out. I actually got this for my daughter because of the color. She actually likes blue, but this is a mint. I couldn't find the blue, so I got this one for her. She needed a new one, so I hope it works, and if it does, I'm probably gonna get another one, hopefully in a pink, and I'm just gonna get it for myself. But yeah, I had to get that one. And guys, I also found these right here. So this one is a gel polish remover tool, and I really am excited that I got this because I used to get my nails done and I used to only do gel nails. So I'm hoping soon I can do that, and if in case we go into another shutdown and this COVID thing gets worse, at least I can take off my gel nail polishes, because without this tool I feel like it's really painful to take off gel nail polish. So there's that. And I also found this one. This is the blemish extractor. I've been wanting to get something like this for a while, and I finally got it. I don't usually break out, but there's times, especially around that time of the month, which I'm on right now. Oh my gosh, such TMI, but it's true. I tend to break out. And I also noticed because I eat chocolate. No, it's not, because I can eat chocolate any time of the day, any day, and I don't break out. But when it's my period, I break out. And I don't break out a lot. Like, I'll have one or two, but it's annoying. So hopefully this works. Yep. And then I also decided to get another one of this right here. So this is the 4-way nail buffer block. So it looks like this. This actually works really awesome, guys. If you're looking for a really awesome buffer block, try this out. This is amazing. Also got this blender sponge. Looks like this, guys. I never tried it, so again, I'm gonna let you guys know if it works out or not. I love it. It's pink, and I hope it does work because it's $1, so why not? So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.